Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to answer a very important question which I have asked you people that if you really want, I will answer that. And the question was, do you want to know that market is going to be trending? When I say market, it's Nifty or Bank Nifty. My only condition here is that the volumes need to be very high. So today I have got a day which tells me that Monday, today's Friday, and today's, let me tell you, is 8th of July. Today market is range bound, and to me it looks as if it's going to be trending on Monday. Let's see, but before that, let me teach you some basics of price action. So see here, first and foremost, today Bank Nifty opened gap up. Just see the massive gap up that took place, and there was a price rejection from the higher levels. There was a price rejection from the level of 35,277. After that, Bank Nifty came down, then went up, then came down, then went up, then came down, went up, came down, but it has not crossed 35,230. This is a barrier for Bank Nifty, and I would say the biggest barrier that Bank Nifty has at this point of time is about 35,280. And when I'm talking about this, I'm talking about levels in the futures. Okay, now see one very important thing. This is how Bank Nifty closed today. What happened after opening? It went up, came down, and came to fill up the gap. A very important point in case you saw double top. I've made a video on how to trade in Bank Nifty. When it made double top, you knew that it's going to come down to touch and fill up this, gap that it formed in the morning. So once, twice, three times it failed to cross it, and it came down to touch it, and then from here it bounced. Anybody who's a seasoned trader could have bought call options here, and this movement of about 200 points could have been easily enjoyed. That simply means about 60-70 points in call option. Now, I hope you found it good, right? I hope you can all agree with me. So it came down, went up. This is where a double top is formed, and after that it could never touch this point, and it came down. Bank Nifty came down again. It filled up the gap and it tried to bounce back. Something very important, you can see that Bank Nifty has been range bound, completely range bound today. Now I'm going to tell you something very important. No other YouTuber, no other, this is actually the part of a paid course, our paid course as well, and a lot of people have taken several lakhs to talk about this particular indicator. So I'm going to take you to the trading view, and this is how Bank Nifty looks like. And what you can really do is make the time frame as 30 minutes. Make the time frame as 30 minutes. One method that I know I personally use, I mark the high and the low of this candle. I always mark the high and the low of this candle. See, there is no candle that is formed which has left the low, right? There is no, like for example, I'll show you here. This is 30 minutes candle. There is a candle which has formed, which left the price of this 30-minute candle. This is a 30-minute candle. This candle left the price, right? And the closing also happened above 30 minutes. In this particular case, which is today, the price, no candle has left the price. It has been touching over here, and the candle closed within this price. For me, this is a very good indication if the price breaks in the upper direction. If, for example, if the price breaks in the upper direction, market will go up. If it breaks in the downward direction, it is going to go down. It's a very strong indication as far as I am concerned. I believe that it is actually one of a very strong reason for me to trade in case this 30 minutes range is broken in either of the direction, right? I can show you in the past what has happened when such a thing happened. A lot of time you will find market to be trending. For example, this date, right? So this date, gap up opening, after that market came down. I'm not counting this as a trending market. Of course, open equal to high, and then the market kept going down. It was a trending day only, but I am looking for a trend in the upper direction. So for example, if market breaks in the upper direction, then market should continue moving in the upper direction only. So one more thing that I would like to explain you. So one method I told you. What is the first method that I've told you? I've told you that if market is first, if the entire day finishes in first 30 minutes only, if the entire day finishes in first 30 minutes only, definitely if the price closed above, next day gap up opening is possible, right? And but again, you see 30 minutes high and low is not broken, rather low is broken and market has gone in the downward direction. So have a look at this day, this particular day. On this particular day, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 candles have formed, and none of the candle has left the Bank Nifty price. Next day, again, price opened somewhere here at the high of the previous day. It came down, and after that, it started going up. It was a trending day. Once the high was crossed, low refused to cross. That means high will cross, and it kept on moving in the upward direction. Right? So this was a trending day for me, according to me. Now I'm going to tell you a very, very important method, which is basically by using the volume profile. Now, as I told you, I'm 100% sure this is available on the free version also. Let me go incognito and see if I can do this for you. Trading view. I go to the product, I go to the chart, and I will be adding here Bank Nifty. Okay, I'm going to add futures. Remember to add futures only. Cash is not going to work. Now, what you need to do, make the time frame as 30 minutes, which is what I have done for you, and mark the high and the low of the candle. Now, what I want to really check, how was the volume profile of Bank Nifty today? So go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seventh number you go and see what all are available. So see here, I'm doing incognito. So please don't say that it's not available in the free version. So you start from this cross wire, the first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Come to the seventh one and open up this fixed range volume profile. This is available in the free version, and apply it on today's this thing. One more thing that I would like to do is go here and increase the row size. Increase the row size to, let's say, 200 and do OK. So what I really want you people to see here is, no one will tell you this, right? These are all top secrets. Have a look at the volume profile. It's a D shape. The volume profile that you see here is actually forming a D shape. Doesn't it look like a D? It's a perfect D shape. This is point of control, and price has been hovering at this point continuously, and there is a price rejection from the point of control end of the day. So in case today's high is broken on Monday, you can expect a trending day. It's something you will not get in free version in any of the video. I'm saying it again. If you can share my video with others, if you can really understand and learn from it, it doesn't happen on a regular basis. This D-shaped profile is actually a strong indication that, I hope you're being able to see the profile. This is a profile formed by the volumes which are traded. This line in the middle, which is the red line, is actually a line which is called point of control. And have a look at the profile, how the price has interacted with volume has interacted with the price. It's proper D-shaped profile. When I say D-shaped profile, I'll show you how other profiles look. how other profiles look, you will be able to see when I say D, it's simply the English letters D that I'm talking about. Have a look here. This is like it's a very different profile. It's not a uniform profile. Like it's not a bell-shaped curve, right? This is how the profile looks like, right? What I'm talking about right now is this uniform profile D profile. And this indicates that market is going to be trending. And please mark this video. You know, I am expecting a lot of, if you see the market becoming trending in maybe tomorrow, maybe on Monday or on Tuesday, please give a thumbs up to the video and believe in what I'm teaching you right now. And this is no one is going to tell. So two methods I've told you. First method is you look into one first 30 minutes candle, and high and low of that should not be broken by a candle. Candle should not leave that 30 minutes high and low. Second method I've told you, I have done it incognito. It's available in the free version. You go to trading view and plot its volume profile. What I can also do, let me do one thing. If I can possibly do, I will try doing it on the Zerodha. I will try doing it on Kite. So let me do it on Kite and let's see how it looks like. So I'm just going to take today's this thing only, and I'm going to make it 30 minutes. I want to see how's the price distribution. I'll do it on 15 minutes. That way it will be better. Just type volume profile. Volume profile. And have a look at it here. This is a proper distribution of uniform distribution of volume, right? So this is what I was talking about. This kind of a volume profile simply indicates that market is going to be trending whichever direction market breaks the price, either in the upward direction or in the downward direction. As of now, by looking at the price, it went up, came down, went up, came down, and the way it's given in the end, towards the end, the pulse that it has given, market looks to be heading in the upward direction. So guys, if you like my video, if you like my content, keep giving your thumbs up, your comments, and I'll be really happy to answer all your questions. Keep writing comments and keep sharing my videos with others. We do live trading every day from 10 to 11 on our channel. Link of that you can find in our description box, and join my Telegram channel simply by going to the description box of any YouTube video. Just go to the description box of any YouTube video and find the link over there. So right at the top, you will find stockpro_online. This is where you need to click and you'll be straight away join my Telegram channel. So see you in the live market on my Telegram channel. You can also try one more method in case you want to find out whether the market is going to be trending or it's going to be range bound. You can check with Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands also give you idea about the volatility, what is happening in the Nifty or Bank Nifty price. So anyway, that's what I wanted to share, and see you in the next video. All the best and take care.